What's up guys? Today I'm checking out a brand new mini dishwasher by Comfee, which will save you space, water and power all at the same time. Roll the intro. Now what's immediately special about this mini dishwasher is that it doesn't require any plumbing. It's completely standalone, compact and quite affordable too. So you can pick this up right now from Amazon for only £229. And in this video we'll be going over the features and practically testing this thing to see how good it really is. Now first of all, inside the box you will find your user manual, a packet of complimentary dishwasher tablets, we have an inlet hose, a drain hose, a cutlery shelf, fruit basket and a 1.8 litre measuring jug. Now design wise, the dishwasher is made from stainless steel finished in white, which is the only colour option you have. I like the large viewing window so you can see the dishwasher in action. You have a bunch of touch controlled buttons on the front, so power button, program, functions. We have a delay timer, there is a small LCD screen showing you how long is left for the current wash, and you have some presets too for fruit washing, steaming baby bottles, and the option to add the steaming plus feature. So that is another cool feature for this mini dishwasher. You can activate 98-degree steam sterilization, which makes sure all your dishes or baby bottles are clean and hygienic. Now the dimensions. This dishwasher is 42 centimeters in width, 43.5 centimeters in height and 43.5 centimeters in depth, and weighs only 14.5 kgs. Now setting up is really easy. You have two options. You can use it standalone with no plumbing, so you just manually fill up the 5 litre water tank, or you can connect it to your water supply so it automatically fills up the water when required. So the choice is yours, but me personally, I really like the flexibility of using this thing manually without plumbing. So let's set this up for manual mode and I'll show you how to get started. So over here you have your water inlet connection, which is closed and taped up. So if you're not connecting to your plumbing, just leave that as it is. So for manual mode, just remove the black rubber cover from the drain connection, connect the drain pipe and secure the connection using a star screwdriver. Thereafter, just arrange the drain pipe so it aims towards the sinkhole. So that is pretty much all you need to do for the standalone manual mode. Now this dishwasher is designed to save you money. You fill up 5 litres of water and it will use that water wisely and clean everything you put in that dishwasher without needing any more water added. Now if you were to wash your dishes by hand, you open the tap, you can't really monitor how much water you have used. If you fill up your sink, you're definitely going to be using more than 5 litres. Sometimes you'll end up using more than 10 litres just to wash a few plates and not even know about it. So this thing is almost guaranteed to save you water. Okay, so let me show you how this works. The instructions included are very clear and the process is very simple. You fill up water from the top, about 3 full jugs will suffice. You will hear a beep once the 5 litre tank is full. Then you load up your dirty dishes.
This is going to be a hard test, guys. Let's put these plates in. Dishwasher is certainly going to be put to the test. Alright, so I managed to fit 4 plates, 4 bowls. I've got 1 side dish, I've got 1 glass and I've got 1 mug and a few spoons on top. I could easily fit more cutlery in there if I had to. That is actually surprisingly spacious for the size. Okay, so program 1 is eco mode, which will take 2 hours 45 minutes to wash. Okay, and then we've got program 2, which is a 1 hour wash, which is a bit faster than eco mode. Then you got program 3, which is rapid wash. So 29-minute rapid wash. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. And then you got program 4, which is 1 hour 25 minutes washing your wine glasses, for example. So let's set it to program 3, because that is how much time we have right now. Let me just quickly show you what the function button does before we set our program. So the function button, so that icon appears and that means extra dry. If you press it again, so that means storage. So it'll get rid of smell, damp and mildew, proofing it. So there are 2 functions and you can have both activated at the same time. So you can have the cleaning storage option or the extra dry option. You can have them both at the same time. But when you're using rapid wash, it won't be available. So in rapid wash, 29 minutes, you can't use the function button. Now this button over here is the delay button. So you can press it to increase the start time delay. So you can delay up to 24 hours in 1 hour increments. delay the start for 1, 2, 3 hours, 4 hours. Press the start button, go away. 4 hours later, the program will start. So you can do that up to a maximum of 24 hours. This mode over here is fruit wash mode. So in 12 minutes, it will basically wash your fruit for you. So certain fruits and vegetables that aren't too delicate, 12-minute wash, and it will wash your fruit for you. And you can use the included fruit basket to wash fruit. Baby care, that's for baby bottles. And the last button over here is steam adding. So that's the steam adding button to add steam sterilization to your wash. So you can use basically any supermarket dishwasher tablet. Any cheap tablet will do. Stick it in there, or you can even throw it in there. It doesn't really matter where it goes. So let's close that and hit start. Let's go. You can see the bottom part is filling up with water. There we go. Now water spraying. And you're spraying from the top and the bottom. So you can see that bowl cleaning in real time. Another great feature is you can pause the program anytime you like, and you can have a quick look at what's going on inside. And if you feel that you haven't arranged things well, you can take it out, you can move things around. The cutlery should actually be dropped into these grooves. So added a few extra knives and stuff in there. Rearranged the spoons, as you can drop them down like so. And the dishwasher light does turn itself off during operation. If you want the light back on, you just hit the pause button and the light turns on, and then you press play immediately and it will continue with the light on. So all the dirty water drains out into the sink. End. So the job is done. Let's see the results for ourselves, shall we? And one of the things I was really concerned about were the spoons. They were very grimy. Look at that. Wow. I'm actually surprised because the spoons were really bad. Every single one is spotless, nice and warm, clean. Good job. Spick and span, both sides. Nice warm plate. Next one. And you noticed how close together I had the plates. So again, I was worried that it's not going to be able to clean every plate, but as you can see, every plate is clean. All right, side dish, perfect. Bowl number 1, bowl number 2, bowl number 3, and bowl number 4. I managed to fit a lot in here. 4 plates, 4 bowls, and 1 side dish. Coffee mug, nice and clean, no stains, and a beautiful clean glass. Can't really complain with those results. Okay, test number 2. We're going to try something else. So you can remove this shelf. It doesn't have to stay on if it's in your way. And even this section with where the plates go can be dropped down, like so, to give you more space in case you were going to put a single big saucepan in there. But we're going to put a fruit bowl in there. So I've just got 3 apples and an orange. We're going to just see what it does. Let's try this out, shall we? Definitely don't need to put any dishwasher tablets for fruit. Just selected the fruit option at the bottom. It is asking me to fill up the water. Let's wash some fruit, shall we? That's going to be the cleanest fruit ever. You're supposed to fill this up with salt. Not any salt, dishwasher salt granules. So to do this, you just open this up. The compartment for the salt. You have to add 1 liter of water into that compartment first of all. So add a bit of salt in there, so 0.13 grams. It's not a lot. And once you've done that, close the lid. So there you have it, guys. That was the Comfee Mini Dishwasher. So my final thoughts on this product. It's space saving, lightweight, easy to move around and set up anywhere you like. You can use it in your kitchen, your office, your caravan. You could use this more or less anywhere you like.
Nice countertop design, it will blend into most kitchen designs. Money saving, all you need is 5 liters of cold water per wash. If you were to manually wash your dishes, chances are you will use more water, and also you'll be using hot water. So this mini dishwasher will save you money in the long run, as it only uses cold water and it will heat the water up and everything automatically. Power wise, it's very energy efficient, and it does not cost, and it does not take a lot of power to run. Cleaning efficiency is very good and thorough. Steam cleaning feature is also top notch. I use that feature for washing my baby's bottles, and peace of mind knowing that all bacteria will be killed during the steam sterilization cleaning. Being a small unit, I thought it might only be good for 2 people, but you can actually manage up to 4 people worth of dishes. So 4 dinner plates, some side dishes, and a few glasses and cutlery. So you can stretch to cleaning up to 4 people's dishes at a time. Price is pretty good. Convenient mini dishwasher, no installation plumbing required, no expensive cartridges needed. You can throw in any cheap dishwasher tablet and it works great. So money saving, hygienic cleaning, this is pretty nice for the price, people. The Comfee Mini Plus also has a self-cleaning mode, which will give a complete clean to the internals, refreshing the unit when required. So I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.